2016 Buick Encore. The Encore captures Buick's traditional strengths while demonstrating luxury and style in a petite size. It's amazingly quiet at freeway speeds, and the suspension engulfs pavement imperfections, providing passengers with a pampered ride. Standard features that would make any car owner smile. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: ONSTAR, traction control, power driver's seat, keyless entry, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, power steering, cruise control, CD player, power door locks, power windows, power brakes, security system, intermittent wipers, daytime running lights, power mirrors, rear view camera, power outlets, tinted glass. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.